Good day student, I am Aram Samantha teaching you math in class 1. Before beginning our class, you are requested any home task or activity given to you, solve it in your maths copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of home task and activities. Let's revise counting of numbers 1 till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, look at this picture. Here are numbers in figure 1 till 10. These numbers are in words and this is their quantity. For example, how many yellow circles are there? There are 3 yellow circles. How you know? Count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 yellow circles. Mean it is the quantity of 3. Now begin it. Here is number 1. And this is 1 circle. If we add one more circle into it, then these become 2. If we add one more circle in these 2 circles, they become 3. If we add one more circle, then they become 4. Same like it, if we keep on adding new objects into these, it's become increasing of numbers. Adding of more numbers mean addition. Do you remember these signs or symbol? This is a plus sign and this is equal to sign. Addition and equality symbols. This is a plus sign of addition, read as plus. This is a sign of equality, read as equal to. When we add 2 numbers, we get their sum. Today we learn and do practice of basic addition of 1-digit number. This sign shows that 2 things or numbers added together mean addition. Children, you are familiar with addition of things in your daily life. Recognize these signs of addition. Here is one example. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. We represent them with numbers. These are numbers. Okay, how we do addition? We do addition by plus these numbers and write the sum of it. This is called addition. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. How do you know that your answer is correct? Here are some objects. Count these objects. 1 object. Here is 2 objects. This is a plus sign, mean add up. Add these objects. Now we add them. 1, 2, 3. Mean 3. There are 3 objects. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is correct. Addition mean add up or sum up of things or numbers. Okay, add these objects by putting them together. Now we learn addition of numbers by the help of these squares. Count how many blue squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 blue squares. Now count how many red squares are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 red squares are there. Okay, now count how many squares altogether are there. Now we had joined them all, these red and blue squares. You have to count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Count them all together. These are 7 squares altogether. 7. So it means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Objects help us. Here one more activity with objects for your better understanding. Look at these. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. Count them together. 1 2. Answer is 2. Now these are two objects. 1 2. Add them. This is a plus sign. Add one more into it. Now how many butterflies are there? 1 2 3. Answer is 3. Now 2 plus 2. 1 2 3 4. Answer is 4. Rest of the work you do by yourself. Objects are here. You can add up them. Okay, here's one activity from your maths book, page number 51. Addition and equality symbols. Plus is the sign of addition, read as plus. Equal to is sign of equality, read as is equal to. When we add two numbers, we get their sum. I had already explained you these things. Now do the explanation of this activity. Count how many cats are there. 1 2. We write 2 here. Now how many cats are these? 1 2 3. 3 cats. 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We say that 2 and 3 makes 5. We can write it as 2, this is a plus sign symbol, 3 equal to sign, and then we write 5 and figure like this. Okay, here is one more activity. Count how many parrots are there. 1 2 3 4. We write 4 here and also here. 1 2 3. 3 parrots. We write 3 here and 3 here. Is equal to. Now both are equal to this. Count how many they all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We can say that 4 plus 3 makes 7. We can write it also like this here. Here one more activity from your maths book, page number 54. How many birds are there? Okay, look at here. Count how many chicks are birds here. 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3. 4 plus 3 7. Yes, we had already done this sums on the back page. Now count how many ice creams are there. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is already written here. Now count how many ice cream are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 5 plus 6 is equal to, for make them to equal to, we have to count all these objects all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We write 11 here. It's mean 11 ice creams are there. Same like these are eraser. We have to count how many eraser are there. we write here. How many these eraser, right here. Then we add up them and write our answer here. Same like the rest of the page you can do. How many parrots? Count and complete the following. 1 2 3, 3 right here. How many parrots here? 1 2, 3 right here, plus sign 2, and all together how many parrots? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 parrots are there. And these are balls. You can also count these balls and write the number here. When you count the balls, it's a quantity. You write 4. When you count these balls, 1 2 3 4 5, you write 5 here. And these are all together balls. Okay, now it's called mental math. Mental math, it's also from your book page 56. Asad had, what is this? Pencils. Asad had 3 pencils. Count 1 2 3. His father gave him, how many gave him? 1 2. 2 more. Asad had 3 pencils. Now his father gave him 2 more. Now how many pencils Asad has altogether? We have to count them. 1 2 3 4 5. Now Asad has 5 pencils altogether. Fahad had these balloons. 1 2 3 4 5. Now Nazir gave him 1 2 3 more balloons. Fahad had already 5 balloons. Now Nazir gave him 3 balloons. Now 3 plus 5 is equal to, make them to equal to, you have to count all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Write your answer 8 here and also write 8 here. Maryam has these balls. Count them. How many balls? Sana give her more balls. How many Sana more balls given to her? Count them also these. Now count them all these balls all together. Now Maryam has dash balls. How many balls? You have to do by the help of your parents. I had explained you 2 sums. Now rest of you can do. Same like there are apples. Count how many apples. 1 2 3 4 5 apples. And here are 1 2 3 4 more apples. Now how many apples are all together? You have to count. Then you get the answer. You write your answer here and also here. Same like you do rest of the work by the help of your parents. Okay, here's one more activity. This type of most addition sums, more examples. There's no object here. Here's only are numbers. Then how you can solve these sums? For this, if you use your finger, you can solve it. Okay, now count how many fingers do you have in your each hand, starting from this red point from your thumb. 1 2 3 4 5. You have 5 fingers in each hand. Now count how many fingers do you have in your other hand. 1 2 3 4 5. It means 5 in this hand and 5 in other hand. 5 plus 5. For this you have to count them all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All together we have 10 fingers. 5 fingers in each hand and 5 fingers in other hand make them 10 fingers all together. Now use your finger to solve the sums. In 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 fingers all together. Here our numbers are allotting your fingers. It will help you in solving these sums. Use your finger because no object is here. Okay, 3 plus 4. Take out your 3 fingers and 4 fingers. These are your 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now how many fingers? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All together you have 7 fingers. Now here one more example. 1 plus 7. Have 1 finger, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1. What is the answer? Count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1 more into it, make 8. 8 fingers. Same like you do rest of the sums. Okay, look at this sum. 7 plus 0. 0, do you remember, children, what is the 0 stand for? 0 mean nothing. 0 mean nothing. How we solve these sums? These you have 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers. Now you have to add 0 in it. What is the answer? For this you have to find no finger, mean 7 is the answer. 0 mean nothing. 0 mean nothing. Okay, rest of the sums you can do by yourself. Now this is your home task. Complete all these book pages. Page number 51, 52, 56 and 57 in book. Do page number 52 in your math exercise copy. Only 5 sums from each row. Look at here. Do more practice of addition sums in your rough copy. Now I hope, children, you all understand addition of numbers and object very well. It is easy and simple. In easy word we say plus mean make it more or join them together. Now this is the end of our addition sums activities. Now complete your home task. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Have a good day.